Good morning, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for June 20th, 2024. It is just about 11 o'clock and the SPX is trading higher, up 0.1% to 54.91. It is fairly neutral out here yet again today. ADD essentially at the zero line, of volume difference slightly positive, 1.4 to 1. Sectors, we have defensives mixed, traditional cyclicals mixed, growth mixed, mega caps mixed. So again, kind of a bit of rotation. VIX, a measure market volatility, is catching a bit of a bid, up nearly 4%, back to that 13 handle. VIX is an exacerbating factor on the downside, so VIX up will invoke sell flows in the SPX, so something you want to pay close attention to. As far as key levels go, we're essentially up at the call wall ABS zone. So in other words, our upper bound, that is 5,500, 5,510. So resistance as well as a probable pinning area today, tomorrow, going into option expiration. Now above that sits 55.25 and 55.29, which is ES 5600 equivalent. So that'd be the next resistance zone to watch. As far as the downside goes, we did have gap fill here at 54.88, a slight bounce. But if we do roll over, see more downside, we have support at 54.80, 54.75. Now in terms of 0DTE options volume, also an indication of lower volatility. We have the max call at 55.20. That's generally regarded as our upper bound, and the max put at 54.90, which is generally regarded as our lower bound. This is not as clear. I mean, that could shift lower to 54.70 if we see more downside. But point is, 0DTE options volume is indicating low vol positioning. But that's not that surprising. The gamma index remains materially positive, plus 1,200, trading above the flip of 53.95, meaning that the market remains very well supported going into the triple witching OPEX on Friday, which is quite sizable. Now, just to illustrate volatility, this is the flip level 0, and the higher that gamma index, so this chart here, the lower the return distribution, and we're up here around plus 1,200. Now, I know this is a relatively small sample size. This is classified as an extreme, so we don't see these type of readings very often, but we tend to see positive readings, or if negative, very, very minimal. So generally, we say when we have a positive gamma reading like that going into option expiration, that we tend to see sideways to positive drift, and well, that has played out over the past week or so. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you. If you're not a member and you're interested in learning more, you can visit our website at 0DTEtraders.com. Best of luck out there today.